Iman.
Okay, thank you, Ahlem. Hello, everyone.
Thank you, Iman.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so
It's okay.
yes,
It's
thank
okay.
you. So I will talk about how to plan an eTwinning project using mind mapping as a powerful note-taking method. You know that mind maps not only highlight important facts, but also show the overall structure of the subject and the relative importance of individual parts of it. Mind maps are great when you need to think creatively and can help you to make new connections between ideas. Okay, this workshop is animated by me, Iman Taktak Marzouk. I am eTwinning and Scientix Ambassador and ICT teacher. We start by what is mind mapping? The mind map is an easy way to brainstorm thoughts organically without worrying about order and structure. It allows you to visually structure your ideas to help with analysis and recall. Here is an example. Here is an example of an outline of for vocation plans, as you can see here. It only takes a few moments to go through the list of locations and activities, but by the time you get to the bottom of the outline, do you even remember what you read at the top? Okay, so we take that same information and view it in mind map. You can now overview the information much faster and recall the data much more easily using the mind mapping process. So mind mapping is perfect for brainstorming and visualizing concepts, presenting and communicating ideas, graphic organizers and electronic notebooks, running meetings more effectively, outlining reports and documents, and also simplifying tasks and project management. So we will discover together the mind mapping online software. So for just 1 minute, we go to slido.com, and please, I need your answers. So you open a new tab and you write slido.com and you write the code 774564 and try to write one example of mind mapping software that you have already used on an eTwinning project, or I don't know exactly, in your classroom, in your sessions, learnings, I don't know. So try to open a new tab or use your smartphone. You go to slido.com and you write the code. You type the code 774564. So I need your answers before discovering together the mind mapping software. If you want, I will copy. Okay, so I will copy the link. Yes, great. Okay, so I see we see together your answers. So mind master, mindly, from mind map. Yes, we have 6 answers. Okay, don't worry for the participants who write no example. Mindomo, yes. Google, excellent. From mind map, Bubble, generally, okay, yes. Google, yes. We are waiting for your answers. Yes, maybe generally is for online presentations, not only destined to have a mind map, but we have mind mapping software that are destined to create mind maps. Yes, Kaku, Google. Yes, mind mapping software. Yes, we need some examples. It's a tool for summarizing your lesson, and we'll need now to plan our eTwinning project. Yes, Canva, Google, Kaku. Not Google. No. Okay. Okay, great. So we have many examples. Excellent. Very nice. Xmind, yes. Yes, we have an online mind mapping software and offline mind mapping software. But in our project, in our eTwinning project, we prefer to use online mind mapping software because the online mind mapping software are used as a collaborative way. So we can use the same mind map with all the partners of the project. Okay, don't worry for the participant who writes sorry, but I haven't used any yet. It's okay, we will discover it together. Canva, mind map, yes. Yes, excellent, very nice. Okay, so we can move together to some examples of mind mapping software. Okay. Okay, I make my presentation full screen. Okay, so I have I have chosen some examples of software for mind mapping for you, like ClickUp. ClickUp is the best free plan for mind mapping software. We have MindMaster. It's a beautifully designed mind mapping tool that provides web-based collaboration, presentation, and robust integration. Creatory are a best collaborative mind mapping tool for prioritizing ideas. These examples are online, okay? So just you right click up on your browser or MindMaster or Creatory, and you will create your mind map online. Google, Kaku, also Milanote, sorry, Smart to Draw. MindGenius is an intuitive mind mapping tool that visually captures and structures ideas for clearly thinking and better communication. And we have the Miro. Miro is a visual collaboration platform to collaborate and centralize communication as your teams designed mind maps, app wireframes, websites, and more. So, and there are many other online software for mind mapping. Okay, so now we will discover together the online software, the online mind mapping software, the website google.it. Okay, so just you write on your you follow me, okay, and later we will do it as a practical exercise on the Wonder. Okay, we will plan our eTwinning project as a mind map. For example, we will use the online mind mapping software, which is google.it. So you write in your browser google.it, and you click on create a diagram. Okay, and you have the center case. You write, for example, your project plan, eTwinning project plan, or eTwinning project schedule. Okay, and you have 4 plus. We can need we can add other pluses. Okay, and you write here, for example, project description. Of course, you can change the text formatting. You can use images. You can, if you have the description as a link, you can put it as a link, etc. Okay, so here we write your objectives or goals, project goals. If you have if you have two categories of goals, you have students' goals and teachers' goals. You can use two categories, and if you want to write, you click on plus before the students. Okay, we haven't plus after student goals, we have a plus before student goals, and you write your goals. Goal number 1, goal number 2, etc. Okay, the same thing for teachers. Sorry. Okay, so goal number 1, or you can write in the same case. Okay. Okay, so I have to click on the name to put the line in a correct place. Okay, so of course you can change the color if you want. Okay, here, and you can delete your line if you want. Okay, so we have the description of the project, eTwinning project, the goals. So we have also the work process. The work process, you can make it per month. I don't know exactly how you will plan or you will organize your the work process of your project. For example, I will start my eTwinning project next year, so I will start it on September. So in September, I will make students or ice-breaking activity. For my students to discover the project idea on October. Sorry. Introduction. I mean, the teachers and the students will present themselves. Also in November, for example, we will make the logo voting. We will choose a logo for our project in December, etc. Okay, we'll make a live event among students live events, and we will celebrate the Christmas and a New Year, plus celebrating Christmas and New Year, etc. Okay, this is the work process, and you can move your line. Okay, just you click on the name. Okay, so we have the description, the goals, the work process, we have the expected result, the expected results will have as an output production, for example, an ebook, collaborative ebook. Also, we will have, for example, some slogan. I don't know exactly. The expected results are relative to your eTwinning project. Okay. Videos, collaborative videos. The expected results, The expected results represent the final productions of your project. Okay. You can add also the tools that you will use in the eTwinning project. The tool you can write them in the work process if you want. For example, in the ice breaking, I will use, for example, a code for the ice breaking, for the introduction of teachers and students. For example, I will use a Padlet. For the logo voting, for example, I will use dot storming or Cresider. For the live event, I will use the Adobe Connect. And to celebrate Christmas and New Year, we'll sing together each students will sing their native song, national song. I don't know exactly, or they create some cards using some online software for drawing, etc. Okay. This is an example of an eTwinning project. I hope it is clear for you. So later in the Wonder, yes,
Iman,
yes,
Iman, in the chat box, I can see. Please, could you again show us how to add a picture?
yes,
Thank you.
yes. You click. For example, I will click on description. You will have this shortcut. Is the shortcut of an image. You click on it, and you choose your image. For example, I choose. Okay. So the size. Okay. Depending on the size. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So this is an image that it's an illustrative image for the project description and etc. Okay. Also,
Iman,
yes.
please, could you get a screenshot of your mind map and to share with our partners to follow this example later?
Yes, of course. Okay.
Yes.
I will make a screenshot. Yes. Yes, I will make a screenshot. Then I will show you how to make this mind map, a collaborative mind map. Okay. So let me make a screenshot first. Okay, it is in the chat. This is the first part. The second part is how to make your screenshot, how to make your mind map as a collaborative way. So you have to create an account on Google. I have created an account on Google using my Gmail account. You can use your Gmail account. Okay, thank you. So after creating an account on Google using your Gmail account, and after drawing your beautiful mind map, you have to invite your partner to be collaborators in your mind map. So just you click on this plus to invite persons to join your Google. You click on plus and you write the emails of your partners, okay? And an email will be sent to your partner to be a collaborator in your mind map. Okay, so just you write the emails of your partners here. You click on plus and you send the mind map will be sent to your partner as a collaborator members. Okay, after that, if you want to download your Google, you can click on this shortcut, and if you share your Google, you can click on this shortcut. Okay, and you obtain a link for your mind map. For example, I will send the link for you in the chat. Okay. This is the link of the Google. You can just view it. You are not collaborators on my mind map. If you want to be a collaborator, you can send me your email and I can invite you as collaborator by writing your email here, and by sending you this an email to you, you will be a collaborator in my mind map. Okay, so now I think we will go to the Wonder Ahlam and we will start our mind maps together.
Yes. Thank you, Iman. Thank you very much. There is another question, I think. Are these tools all free? Not all the tools are free.
No.
Are basic.
Yes.
Some basic tools and not all free, of course. Just please, I remind you that what we will do in Wonder before sharing with you the link again to go to Wonder. So first,